my friend actually has a set of window nets, and they work incredibly well for keeping a lot of stuff out of your cab. Check it out. So looks like it's going to be easy installation. You just got Velcro straps, some little hook clips. Just got to figure out which one goes where. I am going to guess that these ones I'm messing with right now are possibly the rear windows, and oh well, these might help. So we do have instructions here, and it does look like these are the front, not the rear. The rear are the smaller ones, as we can see by the instructions here. So yeah, we've got all our directions where you just clip it on and everything. So it looks pretty easy. And yes, they do have the little buckle clips where you fold it back to open the doors and everything. Now I do have the stealth door skins on mine, so let me kind of figure which ones go where, and then we'll start the installation process. Thank you again, StarknightMT. You guys. So let's get you in here a little bit closer for this last one. So it's gonna go like this. It's got the StarknightMT logo on the bottom. It's gonna go right like that, people. So let's get it done so that we can get this on in here. So bring it through from the back side. There it is. Through there. There's a little web back in here that stops it right there. That's plenty. And then you just work it around there with your fingers. And from the inside, push up a little bit. Right there. So we come back to this one. I got under my mount. Got a little new GoPro mount so I can get better footage for you guys. Look at that. Boom. Okay. So I'll put this on here real quick. As you can see, just do that. I'll leave it loose. See where it needs to be. I like this stuff tight, so I'm gonna put it right there. Check that out. Boom. Alright. Last Velcro strap is right here. I like that, everybody. Check that out. And this one, just hook it right here around that, and then I'll pull it tight when I shut the door. And then this one, I let it out a little bit, not a little bit, all the way. And I make sure I get it under that right there. Check it out. That looks sick. I love it, man. This thing is just getting cooler and cooler by the day. So let's see how easy it is to get in this thing. Clip, clip, open door. Ta-da! All right, so in the rear, clip, 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 open door. Look at that, plenty of room. Now, let's put this back. And clip, ready to go. You can see everything out of it, no problem. Look at that. Excellent visibility out of these things. Ooh, look, my crawler build. No problem at all. Oh, I'm so excited about these things, guys. I dig it.